in a 2 words why you did this.
Nice.
Yeah.
I love this. Maybe I will print the big one this and then put. We're secluded because we're island and you could see when we go to some schools the status of some of the students. Some of them they only have 2 t-shirt changing from because they don't have something to buy with it. We only live once. The reason why is
That is you are saying. You know which bag came the last? It's my bag. There it is there. Isn't it funny? It came the last. And I want to tell you that in the Philippines, this is free. So right here at Ninoy Aquino International Airport, then we'll go to see the guy in Virac, Cantaduanes. And after that, we will know. His name is Pepadan. He's a police, he's a nurse. He does a lot of things, so we will know better. Philippines. It has been said that no one is prophet in his own country, and that is in the island of Cantaduanes, which many know as Happy Island. Why he does this? He's known as a Papadan. He's becoming very active in sharing kindness by sacrificing himself in so many activities. I'm meeting Papa Dan. He's there with this car here. I'm so glad to meet him. He's a humanitarian and a police guy. He does a lot of things here. People know him. Hello, sir.
hello.
Fine. We're gonna have a breakfast right here in his house and ready to start the day with this great breakfast. Yeah. I don't know when the last time I ate lobster because in America, you know lobster, not everyone.
Okay po. Did you remember the kid with yung walang damit na white? Binila namin siya ng 3 bagong magagandang damit. I think sa tingin mo magkasya kasi kung hindi magkasya, kasya to. Andiyan yan ngayon. Sige. Sige po, sige. Tawagin mo, sige po. Ito yung ballpen ha. Next. Okay na lahat. Sino yung walang ballpen? Double check. Oli kayo. Yung mga walang ballpen.
Why you did this? Why you are so unique in Cantaduanes in terms of humanitarian?